Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I want to share with you some of our products. This is our control valve. Yep. If you're interested about this one, please follow me. Let's check the details first, okay? Wow, as you can see, we package with a VCI anti-rust bags. On this part, it's our logos. It's a label. And the first line of the label is Shumatt logos. Yes, if you want a print with their own logos, you can contact us because we supply the customized services. So like we can print with your logo, label, and the packaging bags, and so on. Yes, on this part, as you can see, it's product code F00VC01347, and also with the application eject bundle number is 0445110255, 0445110256, 0445110319. Okay, that's all the model numbers. And on this part, you can see this had the QR code. You can use your phone to scan it, find more information. Okay, let's check the inside details. Wow, this is the inside part. You can look at this one. And also we had that one. And we have two types for packaging plastic bottles. Yeah, it can be prevent some hurt during the transportations. Okay, let's see this one first. As you can see, we packaged with the oil paper. So the oil paper can be better protect the control valve. Wow, that's the valve cap. This is a valve roll. Wow, make them together. Okay. Actually, we're not only sealing the whole side, right? But also we're sealing the separate part. Actually, we're sealing the valve cap and the valve roll. Yeah. For our product, we really have the very high qualities. Actually, we have different models of our product, right? If you want other side, if you want, you don't know familiar about our product, right? You can send us the product numbers, and we can check it for you, and also you can download the app. For our product, also, I want to share with you about the warranties. We have the 6 months warranties. Wow, 6 months, that's so long, right? During this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we can exchange it for you. Besides that, we also occasionally also have the 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip I want to tell you about if you want to clean the control valve, and you better to clean it with the oil. The second tip is if you want to install it, you better to make sure the valve cap in the right positions. The third tip is if you want to install it, make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the tips I'm gonna share with you today. And except that each week we will have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you like our videos, if you like our product, remember to follow us and remember feel free to contact us, okay? Except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps. Yes, any items if you are interested, please, welcome to contact us. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.